from Melon Studios. We are a digital marketing startup currently working on a product together. Before I tell you more about our product, let me just remind you that online marketing has become very expensive. The amount of marketing you get is directly proportional to the amount of money you're spending, which means more and more you spend on marketing, more and more promotion you get. But if your capacity is very limited, then you won't be able to get effective promotion through the existing online marketing mediums. Okay, and with the increase in ad blockers, the number of people who get visibility to your ads has drastically reduced since the last year. For the past 1 year, I think there's been a 400% increase in the ad blockers. I think that makes that makes us understand that most of our ads don't even go to the site. So most of the money you're paying is probably wasted. So this is the problem that we're trying to solve. We're trying to bring in a platform where the advertisers as well as the users are benefited. Advertisers get actually benefited for the amount they're paying, and the users, they don't get to see unnecessary content, or they don't get irritated by the ads that pop up on their screen. So how we're trying to solve this problem is through our product Togero. Togero is a platform which brings the fan pages on Facebook and the advertisers together into one area. So what the advertisers have to do is they have to approach the fan pages through our website and ask them to publish a post on their fan page about their business. So for which the fan pages will get paid by the advertisers. So this way the fan pages start making money out of their page, and the advertisers actually get reach to the exact target audience via the particular fan page. And this has a reach of 2% like I mentioned earlier. And why people will actually want to adapt to our product is the advertisers, they don't have to spend specific amount of time designing ads for our product. Whatever they have done earlier, maybe the banner ads or the videos, the YouTube videos which they do, anything, all that can be put together and published in a single post on the particular fan page. This way it doesn't waste much of their time, and it's quite economic. Coming to the pricing, if you spend just 40 rupees, you'll be able to reach around 200 people, which is significantly larger than the other online marketing mediums. So we've developed the prototype of the product, and we are looking to build the platform, the fan pages, aggregation and all that. So once that is done, we'll be ready to hit the market.